謝謝。好啦，曾德成局長請留在原位，因為我哋馬上要進行我哋啟動儀式，請啟動儀式準備。然後就煩請各位專禮嘉賓 move forward for the kick-off ceremony. Would all officiating guests please step forward, move forward, holding the handle, each of you. On my count to 3 later, you just pull back the rod and then the handle and then it will be extravaganza. Okay, 預備到 take a photo first, okay. 慢慢唔遲，最緊要快，因為揸住手喺度好耐㗎，快啲影咗幾張。OK， 咁 ladies and gentlemen, on my count to 3, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations！ 香港回歸祖國14週年，越做越好，維持繁榮安定，祖國富強。少數族裔，民族共融，香港更加融和。多謝各位，多謝 ，thank you，thank you。好啦，咁而家咧 please be seated first。呢個時候希望大家用熱烈掌聲歡迎我哋一眾委員同埋到場嘅其他嘉賓上台嚟將全家福大合照。我哋用熱烈掌聲歡迎一眾委員。Our committee members and guests, please come on stage to take a group photo. Okay, please we move a little bit over here and get more even, okay? Okay, a little bit over here. But save one place for me. That's my place. 咁有意義，我唔可以唔喺度啊 ！Please, OK， 希望大家用熱烈掌聲祝賀香港回歸祖國14週年，繼續保持繁榮安定，祖國富強，民族共融，和諧社會共享，好唔好？開心啲 ！Everybody, wave your hand, wave your hands. Okay, thumbs up. 有 thumbs up， 冇心 up. Okay, another big round of applause to receive our officiating guests back to their honorable seats and enjoy the show. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.